At the factory of Alano di Piave, at the end of 2008, Ferroli started its own production of solar collectors. The factory is located in the marvelous scenario of the Grappa Massif and occupies 70,000 square meters. The technical department controls the supply of materials and components and guarantees the compliance with the quality process. The high standard of manufacturing quality is possible thanks to the integrated design of every component and to the inspections during the various production steps. The production process starts directly from the copper pipe, which is sent through a cut and drill automated machinery. The main distribution pipe is cut at the right place, drilled with precision where the vertical pipes will be fit, then released from the machinery while another piece of pipe is already behind. After this step, the two ends of the main pipes are subjected to a calibrated socketing in order to prepare them for a proper fitting of the quick connections. The pipes which will form the hard circuit of the collector are put into an automatic welding machine. With the aid of a laser pyrometer, which takes care of the proper welding parameters, the machine welds at high temperature the distribution pipe and the vertical pipes. The ultrasonic welding machine welds the hard circuit with the absorber. Thanks to the special highly selective vacuum coating, the absorber reaches an absorption index of 95% and an emissivity of 5%. The deposition of the selective coating is made by sputtering, with a sustainable process that lowers to zero the direct emissions into the atmosphere and guarantees an excellent reliability. At the first assembly robot workstation, the frame of the collector is prepared for the sealing of the rear panel, which is prepared by deposition of a special bi-component adhesive specially suited to the scope. The adhesive is made out of a base and of a catalyst, which allows an extra fast reticulation of the compound, guaranteeing an absolute stability upon the time, also under the attack of pollution agents and up to temperatures close to 200 degrees. The mechanical resistance of the gluing at the end of the reticulation process is definitely stable and may resist to pressure forces up to 20 bar, reaching the resistance of a welded joint. The robot glues the vertical corners of the aluminum side pieces. After this, the robot fits the high-density rock wool insulation into the collector's frame. The robot then fits the harp absorber system in place into the collector's frame, and the new job sequence starts from here. The operator fits the special union fittings corresponding to the 4 hydraulic exits of the harp circuit. The 2 quick connections and the 2 plugs retain 2 special O-rings and a socket for the blocking clamps. The clamps are designed for an easy fitting into the plastic openings with a manual operation, without the aid of any tool. O-rings of the quick connections are specially designed and manufactured to resist to a wide range of temperatures, to the attack of pollution agents, of ultraviolet radiations and of water glycol mixtures. The solar collector is then sent to the next robot to fit glass cover. The second robot prepares the special bi-component adhesive on the upper profiles of the frame. The robot raises the solar glass and puts it onto an automatic check template, then lifts and jumps it over on the collector's frame. Finally, the robot seals the glass cover on the outer aluminum side onto the frame. The low iron content makes the glass matte to infrared rays, and this avoids that the infrared radiations released from the absorber may escape through it. From the automatic warehouse, after a brief rest period, the collector is sent to the final step. The collector is raised and the automatic system sends back the template, which is routed towards the first assembly robot to start the assembly of a new collector. Then, 2 operators fit the rivets of the metal plates which block the plastic openings and fit the foam protections of the corners for the packaging. The collector is packaged with a protective heat shrink film. Meanwhile, at the other workstations and machineries, pipes, absorbers, frames, glasses, flames and air are mixed, and men and robots are worried in manufacturing other collectors and others and others.
air.